Hey you guys, welcome to the Beauty Crops YouTube channel. My name is Chi-Chi, but I usually go by Beauty by Chi-Chi on YouTube and Instagram. Today I'm going to show you guys how I get my winged eyeliner using their Wing Woman eyeliner. Alright, so I'm first taking the Wing Woman eyeliner and I'm drawing the eyeliner how long I would want it to be. You can draw it how short or long you like, but I usually prefer this length right about here. And once I've achieved my length, I'm going to go ahead and go to the top of the line and just drag it all the way to the middle of my eye in one fluid motion. I just find this method really easy. And once I'm done with that, I'm just going to go ahead and fill in the lines like a coloring book. It's really easy. Just take the pen and fill in the lines of the eyeliner. So right here, I'm just fixing the inside of the eyeliner because I felt it wasn't that smooth. So I'm just taking the pen and in a fluid motion, I'm just drawing the line to the inner corners of my eye. So this next step is very important. I go ahead and take a little bit of concealer and I clean up the outer corner of the eyeliner. That way it's very sharp and clean. And then once I'm done with that, I'm just going to go ahead and blend it out.